Hey, if you're thinking about living in luxury, but think you can't have it or it may not fit your budget, definitely feel free to listen in today on taking a tour of this home here in Wellington Estates by the builder treebuilder.com. They definitely have some great properties coming up. I just want to show you that there is some options for you here out in Metro Detroit where you can live in luxury. In Metro Detroit where you can live in luxury, but also can fit your budget. So stay tuned for this. I definitely got this information here for you. And one thing here, definitely want to stick around to the end because there's some important information I want to share with you. So let's get right into it. Hey, if this is your first time to the channel, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, ring that notification bell. That way, you'll be the first ones notified so you can learn everything there is to learn about living in luxury in Metro Detroit with new construction. My name is Will. I do these videos every week and just to be informative. I want you to learn exactly what it's like to live in luxury in Metro Detroit with new construction. So whether it's 9 days, 90 days, or 9 months until you're thinking about making a move, don't hesitate to give me a call. Send a text, write an email, or set up a Zoom so we can meet face to face. I get calls, texts, and emails from people just like you every single day. And guess what? I love to help. So as I said before, today we're going to show you how you can live in luxury in Metro Detroit. This home here is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath. Here is a Monaco Colonial 2-story home. So let's go ahead and check it out. So let's see how your home looks. On in here to the Jefferson Colonial office right off the front. Beautiful light fixtures. Right off here you have the half bath, luxury vinyl plank floors, pedestal sink, beautiful black finish. Open concept, wood paneling on the fireplace there. Have the large island quartz countertop. I think most of these homes have the quartz. It's a little cheaper than marble, but have a great finish. Have the stove top GE stainless steel appliances. Here you have the pantry, I'm sorry. See, they're still doing some construction right over there. Little back patio here. Little mud room. Nice little setup there. Into a closet. And this is coming right off the garage here. Little planning area too for you. Yeah, right off the garage. I can feel the heat going on pretty good too, so. Going down to the basement. Yeah, I've seen a couple of homes that I was in. They all seem to have that egress there. Very, very smart to do that. Have your furnace, water tank. Called a water tank, people, not a hot water tank. Just a water tank. It heats up the water. That's when the water first go in. It's not hot. Sub pump. I'm not sure how many people knew that. I don't know if that was just too much information or not. But anyway, let's head back upstairs. Here's some of the combinations. Carpet going up. These handrails, pretty nice. Nice design. Start over this way. Nice little setup there. You can put a video game there, like a little loft area. So much the Lions fan. One of the first bedrooms here. Not on a team, but okay. Second bedroom. Large primary. As you see, the opening here, bigger than standard, double doors, massive walk-in closet, vaulted ceilings. I don't think it's vaulted. Living area here, all the way into the double vanity set. Nice floor tile. Tile all the way up here. Nice large oversized standalone shower. No tub in here. Interesting for a primary. Maybe it's just a model setup. Normally the primary have both. This one do not. Laundry here. Bathroom. Here's another bedroom here. So that's 2.5 baths. I had to redo this recording over due to the fact that it was very windy. Okay, everyone, that is it. Just about do it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful. As a reminder, I want to tell you a little bit about this property and how you can get into it. Now, this property here is right around $555,000 as the one that I showed you. Reach out to me. I can tell you how you can get up to $40,000 off of this property right behind me here. And if this is a little bit too much here for you, this location here in the Wellington Community get built for you. Base price started around in the mid 400,000 from ranch to split level, also colonial plan. So if you like more information about moving into a little slice of luxury, remember to pick up that phone and contact us. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button and be sure to check out my other video. Until next time, hope to see you around town.